the wall, but a picture of elegance writing on the stall. Phone number, such a gentleman. Who you gonna call, baby? I've been waiting for you.
More than you know, more that lies beneath the surface, more than I'll show. I need you so. If there's one thing that's for certain, wherever you go, I'm going the same. Take my hand, more than you know.
Kama Sutra does.
Say hi, Roses. Oh, okay.
It suits you, your velvet dress is slipping on. Would you stay with me? It's coming through you, never knew how much it meant when you spoke to me. But everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. Swore picket fences, meet your parents, cast your shoes off in the pool. Don't it seem Carolina treats you better? I won't steal and I won't cheat. Would you stay with me? But everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. And if you're not home, I'll be happy for you. Kama Sutra, does it suit you? Your velvet dress is slipping.
Recording. Hey guys, so I'm just getting ready to go to the thrift store with my mom. I know I just did a thrift haul, but I did clean my closet and I'm still in the process of getting rid of more clothes, but there are a couple items that I want to look for, specifically like pajama pants and like pants other than jeans for the summer. So I'm hoping to not leave the store with a whole bunch of new clothes, because that's not what we're trying to do. I also wanted to have a little chat. I have gotten back into reading. I used to read a ton when I was in like grade school, so like even high school I would get books from the library and I would read, but that kind of stopped after getting into university, and also because of COVID I didn't really want to go to the library and I didn't have time for that. But since it's summer, I decided to buy a couple books that I thought were going to be books that I would want to keep in like my collection, because I don't know if this is like a weird thing, but I don't really like buying books, not because some of them are expensive, but more because I am particular about the books I want to keep in my personal collection. So yeah, I did my research. I thought that the books I got were going to be ones I'd want to keep, but not even like into the first chapter of Later by Stephen King, the book I was reading the other day. It was just, I couldn't read it. Like, it was a lot more vulgar than the books I typically read, and I don't know if that's just like books written for adults that are like that. I don't know, but yeah, I just don't like it. So I stopped reading it. I am trying The Shining by Stephen King, and so far that's pretty good. I haven't really got into the book yet. I'm probably at like page 30 or something, but it's better than Later for me personally. I don't know. Yeah, I'm kind of like picky about books too. I don't know, like I was trying, while I was on my hunt for books, I was on Book Talk for a little while, and to be honest, just like reading the synopsis of the books that were recommended, I wasn't really interested. I don't know if it's because I'm growing up and maturing, and so like young adult romance novels or dystopian romance novels aren't really appealing to me anymore. Don't get me wrong, one of my favorite series is The Hunger Games, and I just feel like nothing competes with that. So yeah, but if any of y'all have any good recommendations for books, please comment down below. I really like mystery novels. That's something I figured out. But yeah, so I think I'm going to try and get Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen, just because the movie is, like, the movie with Keira Knightley is definitely one of my favorite movies. It's my comfort movie. I love that movie and the vibes. So yeah, also yeah, like for book recommendations, like recommend books that you would read outside when it's sunny. Like, I want a book that I could read while laying in the grass, you know? So yeah, but I'm going to finish getting ready and then we're gonna go thrifting. Fun times. Okay, so fit check. I'm wearing this denim vest, a white tee, some black jeans, and this tote, and some bracelet, and a cute little ring, and then some necklaces. All my clothes today are thrifted, and yeah, this is from Ana Luisa. These are from Nadare Co. Yeah, oh, and I'm wearing sandals and some socks, so socks and sandals, and I like that, so
It was late at night. You tossed and turned as thoughts
of everything that I got. I changed into some sweats. So I got, first off, this cute little flannel. And honestly, I kind of spent a lot of money today. They weren't really cheap. So yeah, this was okay. This was $8.50. It's a nice thick material, so that's nice. And then I got this. I have a problem with knitted sweaters. I can't stop buying them, but this is so cute. This was $14, but it is Eddie Bauer. So I got some Levi's. Woo! They are a bit big. I'm gonna try and make it work because I like the wash, and they were $18, which honestly is kind of good for Levi's. So yeah, I didn't get any of the things that I was hoping to, but again, that's thrifting, so yeah.
I can be your third man doll. Just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television on. Set me in the corner now, and Technicolor's your bed. Oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting all my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations one-sided, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around. And tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that. More in pieces inside you, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that.
Bienvenue à tous et à toutes au championnat interstellaire de tennis. L'usage d'appareils de téléportation et la transportation cinématique, ainsi que la photographie avec flash est strictement interdit durant le match.
I wonder what you dream about. You're smoking out the window. Oh, darling Geppetto, I'm wishing on a star